Welcome back to the course. This is Module 2, and we're going to begin by constructing an environment that is familiar and begins to reflect the organization that we're working with. And one of the first kind of cool things you can do with Microsoft Dynamics 365 is that you're able to thematically sort of brand the top part. When you first fire up Microsoft Dynamics 365, you get Microsoft Dynamics 365 at the top here, or in some cases, sometimes this is Microsoft Dynamics CRM, which was the precursor of the Dynamics 365 platform. And really one of the first things you should do is, you'll be the system administrator, so you'll just go into settings, and you'll go to customizations, and you'll want to create a theme. You'll want to create a theme for your organization. You might look at their website, you might look at the colors that they have and so forth on their website. In this particular case, in our imaginary set, we had neighborhood assistance programs in black with a white logo. And so the CRM default theme you'll see is dark blue. So what we did was we first clicked here and then we just clicked clone. And when you click clone, you get a copy. And then what you would do is you would open up that copy, and then one of the things you can do, if it so happens that your default version of Dynamics 365 doesn't have the color up here that you want, in this particular case it does, it's black, you can change the colors. As you can see, the navigation bar color, the navigation bar shelf color, as you can see, that would be this. You can tell by the colors for the most part. The header color, and so forth. You can do all of that by these hex codes, and you just go to Google and you type in hexadecimal or hex color chart HTML, and you get something like this. And you'll see here, you just click somewhere on there, and it'll tell you what the hex code is. And all you do is you just pick your colors, come back here, and just change them right in the box. Copy and paste whatever you want. We'll change the colors for you. The logo is a little bit of a multi-step process, and so what you do here is it's not so simple as uploading a logo. It's a little more complicated. You have to click new, and what you're creating is something called a web resource. Not a big deal though. This is NAP logo. Actually, you have to use underscore here, and it can't be any spaces for that, but the display name, of course, can be NAP logo. And you can put a little description here, and you type, of course, is PNG for the most part. I mean, you can do GIF if you want to, or JPEG, but for logos, PNG works just fine, as you can see. And all you do then is you just choose the file, and then you do upload your file. And it's out of scope for this particular course, but all you got to do is just create something about 47 pixels high, and probably about 100 or so pixels wide, or 150 wide. You can play with the sizes, and determine, precisely what you need. But you create a logo that size, and then back where I just showed you, you would actually be uploading that file by just clicking Choose File, and you would choose your file and simply upload it. Then you would save, and then you would publish. Once you published, you would then click Publish Theme, and that would make it the default theme. Right now we already have one, so we don't have to do that, but that's what you would do. Those are the steps to get this looking like the organization that you're working with.